I am not a culinary expert, but I will say that my parents own this same knife. My sister owned the same knife as well, and this was given to me by them this past Christmas. And so I have to believe that this is going to stand any type of cutlery job that you would have in your kitchen. You have the, I guess, this hole here that allows you to get a better grip on the knife while you're cutting whatever that might be. The handle is a solid wood, but just check out the detail. Again, this knife is pretty heavy duty. And like I said, I'm not a culinary expert, but when multiple individuals own the same knife, you have to believe that it does a really great job. Otherwise, why give one a knife like this?